Hello everyone, Sanbonani. In today's lesson, we will be reading a book. The title of the book is Shaka Namazi. Before we start reading our story, for those who are new to the channel, my name is Lena and I share my Siswati knowledge to whoever that's willing to learn the language. But mostly kids, because they're my favorite. Now let's get into our story. Shaka unemngani lomusha, lobonwa nguye kuphela. Utshela make wakhe uthi ligama lalomngani nguMazi. Kepha sonke sikhathi uma make eta ekamelweni laShaka, Mazi uyabaleka futhi abhace. Mazi uthanda kuhleka, wenda Shaka kuthi naye ahleke. Bagicika etshanini futhi bakhe tindlukati letinetincaba esihlabathini. Angadla yini nathi Mazi? Shaka ubuta babe uma badla sidlo sakusidlo. Kepha babe athi nakathi uyabuka, Mazi abhace ngemuva kwemakhethini. Ngalelinye lilanga make utshela Shaka, babe uthole umsebenzi lomusha, siyathutha siyohlala kulelinye lidolobha. Angahamba nathi yini Mazi? Shaka ubuta make. Mbude, kusho make. Kepha Shaka akamboni ndzawo Mazi. Ngakusasa emini yantsambama, kufike iloli lenkhulu. Ngesikhashana nje, indlu bese yingenalutho. Kepha Shaka akanawukhona kuhamba. Uyephi Mazi? Ngabe Mazi usengadzeni? Ngabe uzube wecafenisi? Engcenye babe waMazi naye uthole umsebenzi lomusha, kusho make. Kungenteka ukuthi naye uhambile. Ngesikhathi Shaka efika endlini lensha, ukhanza kunemfana kamakhelwane. Ligama lami nginguMathi, kusho lo mfana amamatheka. Ngalesinye sikhathi siyabakhumbula abangani lebesinabo, kusho make. Kepha etinhlitiyweni tethu kuhlala kunendzawo yalabasha. In English, this is how the story goes. Shaka has a new friend that only he can see. His name is Mazi, he tells Mama. But whenever Mama comes to Shaka's room, Mazi runs and hides. Mazi likes to laugh. He makes Shaka laugh too. They roll in the grass and build castles in the sand. Can Mazi eat with us? Shaka asks Papa at dinner. But when Papa looks up, Mazi hides behind the curtains. One day, Mama tells Shaka, Papa has a new job. We are moving to another town. Can Mazi come? Shaka asks Mama. Ask him, Mama says, but Shaka can't see Mazi anywhere. The next afternoon, the big truck comes. Soon, the house is empty. but Shaka can't leave. Where has Muzzy gone? Is Muzzy in the garden? Has he jumped over the fence? Maybe Muzzy's papa got a new job too, Mama says. He might also have moved away. When Shaka goes to the new house, there is a boy next door. "My name is Maddie," says the boy with a smile. "Sometimes we miss old friends," Mama says, "but there's always room in our hearts for new ones." The end.